Zinu, Zombie Inu, and Mainnetz Z, the new Layer 1 blockchain inspired by Zinu, scheduled to drop December 21st. Are you ready? That's the first time I ever gave that information on this channel right here. I've always been doing videos on Mainnetz Z for since we knew about it, first heard about it. Now I got y'all a date, December 21st. I ain't gonna drag the video, hold y'all long. I'm gonna make it real short, sweet, and simple. I'm gonna try. You know, when I get to talk about Mainnetz Z and Zinu, I'm passionate about it, so I go in. So I'm gonna let y'all know straight up like that. You know what I mean? So I'm gonna jump right into it. I ain't gonna hold you. Right here, what you see? Excuse me. Right here, what you see is the Mainnetz Z roadmap. It's not the whole roadmap. It's just a snippet of a roadmap. As you see right here, as they say, a piece of the roadmap for Mainnetz Z. More information coming out in the next few days. This is Q4 2023. Let's blow that up. One thing. You see what it says on there? I'm going to take the time and stroll through so you make sure you see everything. As always, all links will be in the description. You know, all the correct devs, so you won't be following no wrong developers acting like that's really scammers. There's only all of our developers got, you know, they will not just randomly message you trying to get you to do some shit. They don't have 4 followers, and if they got more than 4 followers or they got 1,000 followers or some shit like that, you need to go through the followers and see everybody that's following them. Then you need to go see if everybody that the developer is following and make sure it's right, because people be out here scamming. They've been doing a lot of trying to scam everybody in the mob lately, and people new people just coming around, and we can't have that. You got to be cool. Shit's so bad, I had a nightmare last night about it. Straight up. But you see, platform launch development of Mainnetz Z, blockchain established validator nodes, the monster proprietary token Nets, not NetZ, Nets. It's Nets. Developer incentives introduced staking rewards for developers and validators, which they did in that space on October 25th, and it was amazing. And NFT marketplace launch marketplace for all NFTs transactions. Let's go! Partnership from strategic alliances with major players in the crypto ecosystem. Long-term relationship with who? This has been announced. We got a long-term relationship with Austin Hill and Zach Humphreys. So shout out to Austin and Zach Humphreys. Welcome to the zombie mob. Even though y'all dinner party zombie mob, you know what I mean? Y'all zombie mob. I know how I go. Y'all just been doing your other thing. You know what I mean? I know how I go. A lot of mob members do the same thing. You know what I mean? Let's go. I'm happy that they're here. I'm happy that they're pushing for us, and we gonna keep on pushing for it, baby. Nothing stopping this train, baby. Choo choo. And project onboard projects into the Mainnetz Z ecosystem. Seed rounds for Mainnetz Z. Okay, they said more is to come in the upcoming days. So boom. And then the next thing they did was this. They dropped this. Hold up. Hold it. Here we go. Booyah. All right. This was the Mainnetz Z preview of the roadmap. I ain't gonna say skimp. Preview of the roadmap for 2024. I said skimp because like a little skip piece of it. You ain't getting the whole thing. It's just a preview of it. Give you a little what's going on for 2024. Mobile integrations, as you see, all this stuff. Develop mobile SDKs for future integration into the iOS and Android platform. D-App Marketplace, develop marketplace for D-Apps and other Mainnetz Z-based services. You know, cross-chain incentives, start development of decentralized cross-chain solutions, security audits, recurring internal and external audits to ensure blockchain security. More information coming soon. And that's for 2024. That's for next year. So they'll let you know what they're doing. They gave the skip what they're doing for this year, and they're pretty sure they're going to be doing way more. They all say roadmap subject to change right here. Both of them say that roadmap subject to change. They just letting you know, giving you an idea, letting you trying to let you behind the curtain a little bit. And that's for 2024. So that's next year. And then look, 2025 is on there as well. They got the plan. They got a plan. This is already a multi-year plan right now. Yeah, and it's been this blockchain just spring up out of nowhere. Developers have been working on it for a while. Dale been going hard working on the blockchain for a while. Like, we appreciate Dale. We appreciate all of our developers. We got a strong team over here in the zombie mob. Straight up. Research and develop to continue. Research and develop will continue to stay ahead of the blockchain threats by focusing on quantum resistance cryptographic methods. AI integration, initiate RD and integrating AI technologies with dApps. Decentralized identity, introduced concept of decentralized identity solutions on Mainnetz. More information coming soon. Roadmaps, again, subject to change. Subject to change, you know why? They might have a better solution, figure out something better than this, and change their mind. Like, whatever better they're going to go with. And they also listen to the community. They literally listen to the community. This is why I love being a part of the Zombie Market. This is why I love Zinu. And Mainnetz is going to, like, the whole crypto ecosystem should love Mainnetz. They're going to get, I'm finna dive into you. I'm just gonna shut up right now. I can't help it, but but everybody should love it. Hey, this is why I love the project though. Like, you know what I mean? I'm not over whooping. Here we go. This is the Mainnetz seed rounds for pre-sale right here, y'all. The pre-sale. Now, I'll make sure I give you game. If you want to get the first round of pre-sale, the only way you can get the first round of pre-sale is this right here. This is the first seed round right here. You see that right? Seed rounds. 1, 2, 3. Now look. Max wallet size 1 million. That's 24% of total net supply, 8% per seed round. So the 24% total we're gonna be doing the pre-sale, and 8% per seed round. So boom, you do the math. 1, 2, 3 rounds. Now look, to be a part of the first round, the only way you can get a part of the first round, and if you're part of the first round, you will receive 25% discount from the 1 cent launch from the 1 cent, 25% discount from 1 cent at launch, because it's gonna launch at 1 penny on December 21st. But if you this is how you get the first seed round. Listen, to get that 25% discount. Zinu holders, you got to be a Zinu holder. Zombie Inu, you got to hold Zombie Inu. On the ETH or BNB side, Zinu holders on the ETH or BNB side that holds at least 1 million Zinu tokens or 15 zmss NFTs. So you need to hold 1 million Zinu tokens on the ETH side or the BNB chain of Zinu, and you need to hold 15 ZMSs. Or 15 ZMSs. So if you don't got 1 million Zinu tokens, but you got NFTs, you need to make sure you have at least 15 NFTs to be a part of this pre-sale, which take place, I believe, on November 8th. So you need to get you 1 million tokens if you want that pre-sale, or you need to have 15 Zinus. Yes. Okay. Now, in the first seed round, it goes live in 2 weeks, which is November 8th. Yep, I was correct. To November 22nd. Price per nets, it will be 0.0075. A max bag will cost you $7,500 for a max bag. Okay, now second seed round right here. Seed round will be from November 22nd to December 6th. That's the second seed round. And you don't have to have for the first seed round. For the second seed round, you don't have to have the ZMSS or the Zinu token. I believe you can get in there. I'm gonna make sure though. I'm pretty sure that's correct though. And the price per nets will be 0.0083. A max bag will cost you $8,300, which is 1 million tokens. 1 million coins. The max bag, not tokens, 1 million coins. Seed round 3 will go from December 6th to December 20th. Price per nets 0.0091. A max bag will cost you $9,100. Launch date, Mainnetz will officially launch on December 21st, December 23rd. Launch price 0.01, 1 cent. Let's fucking go. That's major for us, man. I've been waiting to hear the words, and I know the words, and I heard this like on the 25th. It was like 3 days ago, and I'm so fucking pumped up still, y'all. Like, I'm pumped up about this. Like I said, I'm having nightmares and dreams. I can't help it. Because I was like, this is a grand opportunity to be part of something like that's fucking unbelievable. You know what I mean? It's about to revolution the whole crypto ecosystem. Like, literally, about to revolutionize the whole crypto ecosystem. When I get to dropping more gems on you, you're really going to know. So, this is how the seed phrase go right here. Seed round lockup period to ensure stability of growth on the blockchain. Day one, I tell you what to do. 10% of net purchase from net seed rounds will be available upon launch of Mainnetz. You see that? On day one, 10% purchase. Then 1 year, year 1, every 90 days, 12.5% of the supply will be unlocked. 60% of holders purchase nets to be claimed in a 1 year period. Now, year two, every 90 days, 10% of the supply will be unlocked. 40% of holders purchase nets to be claimed in 1 year period. After 2 years, the seed round lockup period will have concluded. So if there are lockup periods for the seed round, so you can't just dump on the project. You got in early, then you want to dump on the blockchain. Nah, it's strategically formatted the way it is for a reason, you know. So that's a great thing, y'all. And yeah, let me make sure. All right, cool. I did that on purpose. Let me make sure. All right. Now you see what's going on with the seed rounds. Let me come on up a little more. Show y'all what's going on with the validator node. Returns on your validator. So if you become a validator, it will cost you 20 ETH to become a validator right now. And the only way you can be a validator, you need to go. You need to get in Telegram, drop some comments, get in contact with Undead will be in there, or also contact one of the developers. I'll have all links below. I mean, all the developers links below in the, description. At least the developers I know that's going to definitely get back to you with that, because some of them be busy. Some of them don't even like use Twitter like that. They'll come around just for the team reason, but they're not tweeting. They working. You know what I mean? So here we go. Mainnetz Z validator. Return investment for per validator. If it's launched at 1 cent. You know what I mean? Market cap. It launched at 1 cent. 1 million market cap will equal 40 nets per day. 40 cents. I mean, not 40 nets per day. Yeah, 40 nets per hour. I'm sorry. Excuse me. 40 nets per hour. 960 nets per day. You see that shit? Which is $9.60 per day on a validator. It's $3,500 per year for the validator. That's at the 1 million market cap, which I believe we will be launching at. I'm not sure. Don't quote me on that, but I think that's what we'll be launching at. Now, price per nets at 10 million market cap, 40 nets per day equals $4 per hour. 960 nets per day, which is $96 per day. 35,000 for the year, which is 350, 400 nets per year. 35,000, $40. That's great already. See that? That's your money back right there at the more than your money back right there at the 10 million market cap, 100 million market cap, 40 nets per hour, $40 per hour, 960 nets per day, $960 a day, $900 a day at 100 million market cap, 350 nets, 350,400 per year, which is 350,000, $40 per year, or that 100 million market cap, which is going to be very easy for our layer 1 blockchain at the level Mainnetz is coming out. The shit Mainnetz is going to do, that shit going to be easy. Now, we're not saying it's going to overnight just skyrocket. I don't know. I don't know. But what I do know, once the crypto market and everybody get a hold of this, it's going to go crazy. And I'm going to tell you why it's going to go crazy here in a minute. 1 billion market cap. Look at that. 40 nets per day, $400 a day. $9,600 a day. $9,600 a day at 1 billion market cap. Yes, 1 billion market cap. That's crazy. That's $3.5 million a fucking year. Just on the validator. And you want to know another good thing about this blockchain? If you don't have a validator, you can stake behind a validator. When you purchase nets, Mainnetz Z, you can stake your nets behind a validator. There's 30 validators. You can pick your validator, which one you want to stake behind. Awesome, right? Like you can pick, it had the person's name, whoever you want to stake behind, you can stake behind. Right, so that's dope. More information about that to come here soon. The validator node in crypto at glance. You know what I mean? A validator node is a specialized computer on the cryptocurrency network responsible for processing transactions and securing the system. Key responsibility: verification, confirm transaction, and earn revenue. Consists ensure block validity, security, protect against malicious activities. Why is it important? Validators maintain trust and ensure the network's integrity, earning rewards for their crucial role. I don't know why I'm switching up shit. Join the revolution. Be a part of the future of finance with a robust and secure cryptocurrency network. And I 100% agree with that. That's for the validators. 20 ETH, y'all. You see how your returns be with that? Let's go. This is Mainnetz main page over here on Twitter. This is the blockchains page over here on Twitter. Make sure y'all follow. All links will be in the description as well, always, you know. Now, if I'm, no, let me jump back over here so I can really let you know what's going on. Now, with Mainnetz, the big thing about it, why it's making so dope, so dope, it's for the people. It's the people's blockchain. For real, it really is. Shout out Ducky. It really is the people's blockchain. It's the last blockchain you ever need. But like, and this is why I'm trying to tell you. If you're a project or an NFT bidder or whatever, if you're a project and you launch on Mainnetz, for every transaction, you will receive 40% of the gas fee. 40% of the gas fee. That have never been done before. Ever. Have ever been done? Let me know in the comments. I bet you ain't been done. Let's go. You know, I know it been done because I would have known it been done because our developer would have told us because he's a top developer. He's not a rinky-dink developer. He's a real deal developer. You feel me? Like, he know what's going on with the system. The big companies hire him to do shit. You feel me? So, let's go. We're in good hands. The Dell we trust, baby. Now, look, them transactions is a really big thing. That's a really good incentive. So, people going to be flooding over there like no other blockchain. You can't do it on Ethereum. When you launch a project on Ethereum, the gas fees go to Ethereum. It don't go to the developer that created the project, you know? So this is going to help you keep on funding your projects and do more things that you would like to do. It's just amazing, you know? Amazing. Now, about the zmss NFTs, another thing going on with that. That's through Zinu token. Everything will be in the description. If you want to, I highly recommend you get not financial advice, but I recommend I got my Zinus, but I'm recommending you get a Zinu, right? You know what I'm saying? Because every Zinu, like this one you see flying right here, that's my flyer. Every Zinu you see right there is earning one zmss, which is one blockchain token per day. Every NFT earn one per day. So you earn the nets right now just by owning the NFT. Indeed. You see him flying, and they're dope. And no NFTs ever been done like this. And no NFTs been recreated like this. They're the first fully 3D animated NFTs that were traits rendered. You know what I mean? Like, it ain't been replicated. And it costs millions. It costs so much money to make this NFT. And it shows you why. Because it's going to be able to be easily put in the game, when we're ready. And the game is almost ready. Zinu tokens game is basically already ready. It's just in prototype mode. So when the funds come back, more better funds, which will be coming from Mainnetz, we'll be funding them right onto Zinu. There we go right there. And another big thing for the Zinu token community for Zombie Mob, we have a community node. One of them validators I was just telling you about is for the community of the Zombie Mob. So guess what? When all them levels of price points I was telling you, when it reaches a certain price, that's going to be our validator. For the same thing goes for our validator. So it's a billion market cap. Our validator getting $3.5 million a year. The community validator getting $3.5 million a year. That stuff they're going to be going and putting back into the community. Marketing. Whatever. Like, whatever. You know what I mean? I was working in fucking giveaways. It's just, the list goes on and on. Sweeping the floor, buying all the NFTs up, that's automatically raised the floor price up. Come on now. Think they are fucking genius. And you want to know something about this community validator? It came from the community. Shout out Zinu Cowboy. Zinu Cowboy is a beast. He always come up with these dope ass ideas, because we host Twitter spaces, so we like randomly, so we be always bouncing off each other ideas as a whole community as a whole. That's what make Zinu token and Zombie Mob so strong, because we work as a community as a whole, and that's why we fucking still here. 2 years later, we gonna be here 10 years later, because we strong, baby, and it's only gonna get stronger. But yeah, I'm trying to put you on game. You need to get in tune. So I'm telling you about the nodes. I'm telling you about the community nodes, how that's gonna raise the Zinu, how that's gonna do for Zinu as a whole. And that's just our community node, and that ain't even like the money that's coming from the project. I mean, from the blockchain that's gonna be going in to the fucking Zinu token project. So people are always wondering, how is it going to tie back into Zinu? I'm telling you how it's going to tie back into Zinu. I'm going to give y'all some offer. There's a project that's going to launch. The Zinu token has to sign rights away because the name's close to our name. It's called Zena. And they're launching on Mainnetz. They've been in the works with them, like talking to them and stuff like that. And they're gonna launch the project. It's official, I guess now. They're gonna launch the project on Mainnetz. It's called Zina, Zina. Like we are Zinu, Zinu. This is Zina, and 2% of their when they reach a certain point, like I believe they said 2% of their transactions, they're gonna be burning Zinu. They're gonna be burning Zinu token. You see what I'm saying? So it's starting to happen, y'all. So imagine how many other projects gonna come start doing that. And Zeno token don't have a large supply. We only have 1 billion token supply. That's not a lot at all. We don't have a large, crazy token supply. You know what I mean? That's why our developers knew what the fuck they was doing when we did the migration. To everybody that didn't migrate, I'm sorry that you didn't migrate, but that's your fault. You should have been always pay attention to your investments. Always. Like you can, it's not nobody else's job to pay attention where you put your money and what you do with your shit. We're not watching wallets out here. We're doing what we gotta do to keep getting forward. You see what I'm saying? It's your responsibility. And you never lose until you sell. If your money go down to zero, you never lose until you sell. See, I learned this from watching your pop videos back in the day. Like, yo, when I got into crypto, I always expected money to go down to zero. Like, so, like, you had to have that mentality. It can go to zero. But you never lose. Like, the money, the dollar value is at zero, but your tokens are still there. You never lose until you sell. You see what I'm saying? Market go back up, your prices go back up. That's what all types, that's how I go. This is how it is. So keep that in mind. It's a psychology thing. Don't get tricked out of your bag. Don't be selling your bag for a loss unless you have no choice and have to do it. Because I know how life is, and life do life. Because I got 4 kids, and I got a wife. I know, man. You just got to do what you got to do. But I'm just giving y'all real game. You see what I'm saying? I ain't gonna hold it and drag y'all out too much. Let's jump into the Zeno token price action right now. It's definitely on the BNB side. Look at that. To me, it's looking sexy. Look at that pump up. We on the uptrend. We're on the uptrend. You see that? Look, that pumped up, and look, sideways from that pump up, basically, and pump up more and more and more and more. To me, it came down a little bit right there, but look, it's doing this thing to me, man. We making new higher lows, and that's what I'm happy about. We come off the bottom. Like, to me, we still low we off the bottom, but we still low. You know what I mean? So like, this is a grand opportunity. I ain't gonna be steady repeating this shit over and over and over. But I'm letting y'all ass know this is a grand opportunity. You can get a better deal than I got in when I got in. You know what I mean? Straight up. Now, this is the BNB chart for Zinu. No, on the east side. Look at the east chart. Let's go. We're looking sexy. I'm looking real sexy, right? Same thing over here. Uptrend. Hold up. What the hell going on? I can stupid right now. You see though, it's still on the uptrend. Looking good, looking bullish if you ask me. Look at this right here. Where are you analysis at? Y'all see that? You see it. What it's looking like to you. I know what it's looking like to me. Let's go. You know what I'm saying? Jump in the Telegram. This is Zeno Token Telegram right here. Make sure y'all jump in there. All links will be below in the description. Go to wearezeno.com for the official website will be down low too as well with all the goodies on it. You know what I'm saying? Let's check out CoinMarketCap right now. Bitcoin at 34,000. Ethereum 1788. BNB 266. Looking good, yo. So I ain't gonna drag it out no more, man. I hope I nailed everything. What did I forget? It's so much shit. I don't know if I forgot something. I probably did, like, for real. But just nothing but goodness, make a long story short. I gave y'all that launch day. That's the main thing. I gave y'all the pre-sale. That's another main thing. And I told y'all about you got to have 1 million Zinu tokens or 15 zmss NFTs to obtain the first round pre-sale. You got to have one or the other. 1 million tokens on the east side or BNB chain, or 15 zmss NFTs to be a part of the first seed round, or you will not be able to take place in that. That's what it is. So if you want to take place in that, go buy your 1 million tokens of Zinu on either chain, and or go buy 15 zmss NFTs. And honestly, the floor has been going up on those NFTs right now. Like, floor is going up, everything's going up because like it's so much bullish news coming out, and like people starting to see that vision for real, that long-term vision. Like nothing's ever been done like this, like for real. Nothing's ever been done like this, and we lucky to be taking a part of this. I feel super lucky. I feel super lucky. I feel like I heard when Bitcoin came out, I heard when Ethereum, I heard all this shit, and I G'd it. No, I'm on this shit, baby. And I've been in Zinu for over 2 years now. So like, let's go. I'm happy about this shit. So yeah, I'm happy to be part of the community. I'm happy that Mainnetz is launching. I'm just happy, man. I'm happy about everything that's going on, taking place right now. Been through this journey, and the journey was like been the journey through this bear market. It's been the worst bear market ever, and it's been my first bear market. So like my first bear market was the worst one ever, and the next bull run supposed to be the biggest bull run ever. So like, let's go. You're gonna get to reap the benefits for the rewards for staying down. You gotta stay down until you come up, baby. Just been the accumulation year. All this year been accumulating. I hope y'all been accumulating. Accumulate steak. New song. Let's go. Hope everybody have a good day. And I'll catch y'all on the next video. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Let me know down below in the comments, and I'll drop more. Like always, man. Y'all already know. Zombie Mob, Jilla Gang, Team Jilla, let's go. Catch y'all on the next one. Have a good day.